Looks like a fun trip, John. No wonder Vaughn's at work this week. Here you go, folks. All right, we're talking about the forecast here in and around South Carolina. Here's what we have. A few pop-up showers and storms. They've died out. And now you can just kind of see that blow up there of those clouds. Over Chester County, you're dealing now with cloud cover because earlier you had a strong thunderstorm there. Now just one pop-up thunderstorm right along the border. And then we have one south of Winnsboro as well. Another thunderstorm over Chesterfield County. This one was near Patrick, producing some lightning and heavy rain. Now they're having some issues with flooding in that area. Also, it extends over the border just outside of Laurinburg near Rockingham as well. And over towards Abbeville County, just outside of Greenwood, we're seeing a few pop-up thunderstorms, but they quickly pop up and die down. So far, only one or two have reached severe limits. Now, this is all coming from a ridge of high pressure that's in place just down to our south and pretty much off the east coast. And what we see is almost a heat pump type of activity where you get that heat pumping in. It's hot, it's humid, and that will be the story not just for the rest of the day, but also into the rest of this week. We're going to have your temperatures climbing to the upper 90s. You factor in the humidity with that, and it will likely feel much, much hotter. We're also going to have a possibility of afternoon storms as we continue through the week as well. Now, this is a look at your temperature forecast through the night. We're going to cool off, but not very much. This takes us to about midnight or so. Notice that most areas still have temperatures in the middle 70s, even a few upper 70s in places like Saluda. By the time we get to early tomorrow morning, we will fall to about 69 as our coolest temperature. By 7, you're sitting at 71, and we continue to warm up through the afternoon, well into the 90s yet again. We're going to settle at about 95. We will probably have a few areas settling at 96. For the most part, it's going to be another hot day coming your way. As we take a look at our temperature profile, we're expecting 96 in Columbia, St. Matthews, 95 for you, Sumter, 94 Newberry and Saluda. Orangeburg expected to hit about 95 tomorrow as well. This is a look at the extended forecast. 96 tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, and an isolated thunderstorm is possible, but the chance is around 10 to 20%, so very low for us. 95 in place for you Thursday and Friday. That storm chance remains at about 20%. Notice those overnight lows in the lower 70s, so mild overnight, and we're expecting 97 for you Saturday. Sunday, we're expecting 96 degrees in place. We're at 95 by Monday for you and 94 into the day Tuesday.